Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys outlining how you can grow your business in 2020. First thing I wanted to show you guys is just a sample website, just because there's a couple key features on this that you really need to focus on when the time does come. You guys are ready to build out a website for your business. First thing is click to call buttons. These are very important with as oftentimes as people are doing mobile search these days. Having these click to calls where they can automatically connect with your business is going to be huge for your guys' conversions. The next big thing with a website is your contact form front and center. 80% of the time, people aren't even going to be scrolling down to actually view the content on your page. They're just looking for whatever business they can get a hold of the fastest. So having this contact form front and center to make it easy for potential clients to get a hold of you guys is going to be huge for your business. The last thing is content. So there's over 200 different factors Google looks at when ranking websites, and content is one of those factors. So with this content, you definitely want to make sure that you have your keywords that you're wanting to actually be found for in this content. And then you also want to target at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. But again, those keywords and making sure that you're actually putting those in this content to where when people are making these searches, you guys are getting pulled up for that is going to be huge for your business. And definitely one of those factors is getting you guys ranked into those and onto that first page of Google. So there's a couple different keywords I found for your guys' business. I really dove into the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. House painting Tulsa is getting 100 searches a month. Painter Tulsa, Oklahoma is 80 searches a month, and Tulsa House Painters is getting 70. Being in the top spot on Google, you can count on getting about 33% of this search volume headed towards your website. And this is just what I found in a short period of time. There's definitely more search opportunities out there for your business that could generate a lot of new traffic headed to you guys. So looking at House Painting Tulsa, or House Painter Tulsa, we're going to be focusing on today. So looking at House Painter Tulsa, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So this is this is the GMB, or Google My Business 3-pack. So getting this built out for you guys is definitely going to be a big step in generating a lot of new traffic for your business. One of the biggest factors in how you get your business into this 3-pack is what's called citations. Citations is your name, address, and phone number listed on the web, and it has to be exact compared to what you have listed with Google. So for these guys, for example, they have the Tulsa House Painters dash house painting contractor. If they didn't have this name exact on a citation source, it would not count. They would not get credit for that. The more citations you have, the more likely you are to have your business in this 3-pack. I've already done a little bit of research on your competitors for the Tulsa Painters and Tulsa House Painters. Looking at these two websites, Tulsa House Painters has 21 citation sources. The Tulsa Painters House Painting Contractor has 16. So you're probably wondering what exactly is a citation. So we already went over that it's a business name, address, and phone number. We can also view the sources that these guys are currently getting their citations from, and we can go in and copy these sources, and then on top of that, add more. So it's not just enough to match what your competitors have. We also want to go 50 more on top of that, or 100 more on top of that, and beat your competitors out in every way. So, YouTube is a great one, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Home or Yellow Pages. There's a lot of different citation sources out there that you can get for your business. And the more citation sources you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Organically ranking, 70% of all search results go down here in this organic section, with 33% of that going to this top spot. I don't really consider Yelp, Home Advisor to be competition, just because Google really does prefer to rank the small business owner over these large national directory websites. So looking at the Tulsa Painters, we'll look at their website. Content-wise, they do have a little bit of content on here, but still not all that much. So if you guys were to really target that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content and making sure you're really optimizing that out with the correct keywords and really targeting your ideal customers with that content and in your wording, you definitely move ahead of these guys for Tulsa Painters. Looking at the back end of their website, the whole internet's kind of built on what's called links, and it's businesses linking from one business to another, one website to another. And when you're getting these links, you really want to go after links that are relevant to your niche. So if you were to get a backlink from another painting company, and say Oregon, where I'm based out of, it's going to have a lot more relevancy behind it than getting a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys don't deliver pizzas. So you really want to be targeting these backlinks and really making sure that you're increasing this backlink portfolio to your guys' website after you get that done. Looking at organic traffic for this top site here, they're getting 53 people per month to their website, and they're not even in that top spot. Competition wise, this is really pretty low competition, so there's definitely a lot of opportunity for your business to move into that top spot and claim this organic traffic that your competitors are currently getting. If you have any questions on this, I'd definitely love to talk to you more. Let's set up a 10-minute phone call. I can get to know a little bit more about your business. Again, your 3 factors today for really getting your business generating more traffic is getting this website with that content up, getting your GMB created, pointing those citations to it, and then getting some links, some powerful links pointed towards your website to get you guys moving up in these rankings. That's all I got for you. Thank you very much.